Okay, I'm going to show a demonstration of how to use the ATI Accu-Balancer from turning it on in the morning to balancing a converter. So I'm going to flip the switch and turn the machine on and then enter the values that are given here on the control board. This is the actual diameter of the converter, which we're going to do at 12.5. We then hit mode 6 times to get us in balancing mode. And the light comes on. So at this point we're ready to hit the start button and see how many grams we need to add to this converter for balancing. The internals are held with ATI's tooling, so the stator support tube is here in the input shaft. We'll now hit start and see our reading. As you can see, it's asking for 20 grams of weight. You rotate the torque converter until you get to this arrow that is blinking. You can see that it comes around and we have it blinking. You then add weight at the arrow or the dot depending on the age of your machine. So for here I have 20 grams of clay already laid out, and I'm going to stick it right here where it's asking for the weight, and we'll recheck. And as you can see, we're balanced to 0 with this weight here. I'll check it one more time for repeatability. You can see how fast and accurate the machine is. You don't spend a lot of time balancing at all. For another demonstration, I have 2 small sets of magnets that we'll use as weights. We're balanced to 0, our clay's still on the machine and on the balancer. So I'm just going to stick these weights anywhere on the outside like we were adding a weight, and we'll spin it. As you can see, it's asking for 10 grams. And it's obviously going to be 180 degrees from the weight. So I'll spin it close and it'll come down until we're blinking, and then I'll add the weight here at the arrow and spin. And we're back to 0. As simple as that. Just to show one more, I'm going to pop one of the weights off and we'll watch it go back to out of balance. Back to 10 grams. So that's how simple the machine is. This is the ATI Accu-Balancer with the new control and display on it. And just another tidbit of information, this machine was built in 1991 and has balanced over 20,000 converters. And it has a new retrofit control. So the machine lasts a very long time.